Oral pronunciation, English level 2. My name is Sandra Piedrahita. I am 22 years old. Have life in city in Bogota. With having my children. I am business administration student at UNAT University. My three experiences in San Andres. To last festival of the month in June, I went to San Andres. I stayed there for 5 days and with my husband and two children. I liked it because it was economical. I only paid to more than 500 pesos. I like it because pleasant climate, the hot head lagged epicent and beautiful. I went to the Caribbean to the island on Unique. The water in Sander is delicious. It's hot but not slim. It's important people use sundown lotion. It's recommended that children drink. He recommends that children do not play the bags only. Is a desert to wear best hats. What the weather like? He recommended that children swim in the pool during the day. It is recommended to the drink a clothes for the trip. It recommends clothes should be the best.